Okay, we are back. We are going to take off the head of the 12-inch tom and replace it with the Evans G-2. This shouldn't take very long. You can actually time it. I had to restart this though because I had my headset on. It's funny, I had to go to my one-day post-op checkup with the doctor for my eyes yesterday. And I walked all the way down the stairs, out into the parking lot, got in my son's car, and I noticed I had my headsets on. That shows you how much I keep my headset on, like way too much. Are y'all timing this? And if you're wondering what that little tingling noise is, I have a wind chime inside here. For some reason, I don't care. I used heavy duty sinew and everything. The wind still broke it. So I had to order new pieces all the time. Okay. That'll be it. And that took me about 2 minutes to take off, if that. And remember, I have this oriented with the pearl facing out. That's just how I set mine up. It's helps me keep things straight, you know, keep things going. And it helps when I take down the drums and set them back up again. Now, some people may have different ideas how to change heads and stuff. And if you do, feel free to post a comment. I don't mind comments. And feel free to subscribe as well. And by the way, the hoops are completely straight. I tried to run, I couldn't believe how straight they were. I tried to actually run a credit card through underneath them on a flat surface. That didn't go through, so I tried a sheet of paper. Nope. I even shined a light on the other side. And they were perfectly smooth. Now we're going to go hand tighten. If you can see, I've got the Evans and the pearl lined up there. I'll go hand tight as I can get. Okay. Add a little bit of weight and hear it crickling and crackling, which is normal. I'm just going to get it in tune with itself first. And then I'll tweak it. I think I'm going to go probably a 77 on these. This one's a little low. Still a little low. There we go. That one's a little bit high. Now we're going to see just how far off I was. Okay. That's at 86. 87, and I wanted to go to 77. We're getting there. We're at 80. $79.5. I'm only going in about a half turn increments on this. 77, that's where I wanted it. Let's try this one. And we're at 82. 80. 77. 81. 77.5. 77. Yeah, when my son was over here, he came to pick me up and stuck around to see if I needed anything because my equilibrium and everything was off. And well, they gave me a bunch of anti-nausea medicine in my IV, and they put a patch behind my ear. And you know, all that time in the Marine Corps, I never got seasick or any air sickness or anything. Never. But you give me anesthesia, and the second I come out of it, I'm nauseated. So anyway, my depth perception was off and everything, you know, and so my son, he was staying over here, and he decided he was going to take a shower, and he picked up I had an off-white towel laying on the couch. And it's an older towel. I used it for actually drilling some metal, and so it was full of shavings. And this morning I noticed that it was hanging over the shower. And I asked him, I says, "Did you use that?" He says, "Yeah." And I says, "Well, you probably won't pass by any metal detectors." And I told him what I did, and he's like, he just laughed. He says he didn't want to, stain my other towels. I wished I had one of those lazy Susan things, but I don't do this enough to actually invest in one. Exactly. If you can see, I'm tuning these right at exactly 77. And I do have a drum bot but it doesn't work very good. I got it used, and what can you say? But I did get the drum dial new through Sweetwater Sound, and this has been awesome. There's some good people at Sweetwater Sound, I'm telling you. 7. And they take real good care of you. They do, their packaging is really great. Right now, I'm just checking. Now, I don't think you did that. There. We are done. Maybe. Okay. Let's see what this one sounds like. Perfect. Okay. And I have a 10-inch coming up next. So I'm going to take a break to get off my back for a second because it hurts. That's why. We'll see you back in a minute.